Marcano Studios.
We will talk about some sound effects together. Let's go! Some sound effects are short, like Sky's peeing sound effect. Some sound effects are medium, like Satow's pooping and moaning sound effect. And some sound effects are longer than ever, which is Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects. And today's sound effect is the taking a shower sound effect from Evie Omo. Hi guys, it's me, IRL Noella. Today, I will talk about the taking a shower sound effect from Evie Omo. I also give her credits before using her sound effect. Yeah, this is my first time talking about sound effects from Evie Omo, so yeah. It's from a video called The Long Drive. Gotcha Umrashi request. Gotcha P. That video was uploaded on August 3rd, 2025, which was 2 weeks ago. The duration of the sound effect is 220 to 225. The total seconds are 5. The cute music will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like. See? That's what it sounds like. The sound effect is used for my O-Season characters when they take a shower or a bath. Yeah, I'm gonna link this video right here. Remember, kids, if you want to use that sound effect, use it in your videos, but be sure to give credit to Evie Omo before using her sound effect. It starts on 220 and ends on 225. Make sure you remove the cute music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later.